Well, it is just another election gimmick by the Congress party, and people of Telangana know and understand this for a fact that Congress party never lives up to their promise. We've always seen them going back on their promises. They're known to be the renegar of this country in political parties because they promised to give Telangana in 2004. At that point of time, the whole of the Congress party had come to KCR Garu's house, made an alliance. They said they'll put it in the common minimum program and deliver Telangana right then and there in 2004. And going back a little backward in the history, in 1969 they cheated us. And first of all, we did not even want to merge with Andhra to begin with, and they merged us with Andhra forcefully. So it is all Congress party who has played with the emotions and played with the future of Telangana, and we have suffered for generations. Now they come back to us saying that we have fulfilled a promise. If you were to fulfill a promise, you should have given Telangana in 2004. You could have avoided hundreds of youngsters, losing their lives. You could have avoided a lot of negativity that is between Andhra and that was between Andhra and Telangana.